I'm going to attempt to repair this electric chainsaw. It's well used, as you can see, Homelite electric. Now I'm going to take this off, this cover off. How's that? Okay, take that off. Looks like that comes off. Okay, and that comes off. And now when you get in here, inside of this, there's your blade. Take it off gently like that. Clean this crud out of here. Clean it well. Now this moves this little mechanism here that tightens the blade. Now this is the driving spur is worn. You can see little grooves there. I'll take it off. We're going to replace that. I bought a new one. Show you. eBay. This is a new one. It's got no wear here on the driving spurs. So you're going to need, it's best to have some needle nose pliers. Get in there and take that C-clip out. Okay, and we'll pop it out the rest of the way with a screwdriver. Okay, here's a washer. That's important. Okay, that comes off. You can see how worn that is. Here's the new one. Put that, and it's got a flat on it that only goes on one way. Okay, put your washer back on. Put your clip back on. Should be easier going back on. Okay, I've got that on. Make sure it's on well. I like to give it a little squeeze to make sure. Kind of bend it so it doesn't come out. Yeah, it's not going to come off. Now what I've done, this was a 12-inch blade. I had a gas chainsaw not running. I had a 14-inch blade, so I put, this was actually a 14-inch blade off a gas chainsaw. And I'm going to use that. And, okay. Get your teeth running in there. Now you want this adjuster, you want that poking up through one of these little holes right there. There, it's got to fit in there. That's how you tighten your blade. Make sure your blade is in the grooves in your bar. Okay, you might want to go ahead and tighten it up a little bit that way. And then while you're still holding it, put this back on. Put your nut back on. Get it a little bit loose there. You don't want the blade to be too tight, but you don't want it that loose either. I'm just going to tighten it up a little more. Okay. Now another thing you can do, to sharpen your blade, you can take it to some place and have them charge you $5. I like these. They what you do, you put it at an angle and it shows you the angle. It shows you a mark there, and when that mark is parallel with the blade, then you should get a glove, but you go a few strokes along each tooth that's running that way. Again, I've got that mark parallel to the blade. Then once you go all the way around, you flip it over, and you do the same thing going back the other way. You see it maybe a little better here. And you stop after it's shiny. The inside of the tooth there will be shiny. And it only takes a few minutes. Save yourself a lot of money. In my experience, it actually comes back sharper than taking it to a shop. Okay, thank you.